Hi everyone, my name is Steve Weinberg and this is Jack, America's greatest black Labrador retriever, coming to you today from beautiful sunny Arizona. And we recently started building some desks for kids and families in need. With so many kids doing the school from home model and parents working from home, it gets pretty crowded and a lot of these families can't afford a desk, frankly. And we thought, how great would it be to give each kid, or as many kids as possible, their own dedicated desk? Up until now, it's been pretty much on my own dime. I've had two small corporate donations, but for the most part, I'm paying for all the resources here to build and produce these desks. And this is my first rodeo with GoFundMe, so if it's a little rough around the edges, forgive me. But we figured we'd go this route to see if we could get some contributions to help with really scaling this effort out and getting out some large numbers. So if you could find it in your heart to donate to this cause, that'd be great. We would love to produce as many as we can, especially around Christmas time, to give so many kids desks that they need. So we'll end it with a little treat for Jack, as he is a world champ in this department. That may be his best trick right there. But seriously, if you could help out with this cause, that'd be great. And I appreciate all the support. Take care.